Good evening, Satters. So, as you are aware, I just took a winning trade on CAD Yen, and one of the members is wanting to know how come the movement looks so big and what exactly is a pips. Very good question, actually. When you are trading on currency, forex, you don't actually trade the percentage because I know in investing you look for percentage return, but if you look at that, it's only 2%. But how come I made a 200% gain on my trade? First and foremost is a leverage products. It's a CFD, so or spread betting. So my contract was around £600,000. All right, so for me to capitalize like 5-6 thousand is using a leverage products to capitalize on that. So that's the first thing. It's a leverage product. Secondly, a pips. If you pay attention, this moving green thing, like the 2-0 now, can you see? That's a pip, all right? All you see is $1 Canadian exchange to 102 yen and 28 cents, maybe in yen cents, maybe. I don't know what do you call, but the decimal, the last decimal in there is a pip. So you can see it is it's moved very fast anyway, something that you don't really think about when you think you go on a holiday, do a exchange trade, something you don't think about. But this is where we trade. Every time a pips move, 1 pips, I can put however much I want. If I have a large account, I could put 100K per pip. Okay, if some of the hedge fund or big banks, they can put 100K. So if we just talk in a minute, if I'm betting it up, now I lose 100, now I make 400, now my 200. So it is how quickly the forex market can move. All right. So I'm going to show you a very quick tour of this trade, how I took it and how to measure a trade using trading views. All right, so you can go to something called long position. All right, click on that indicator and then I'll put it in. I think it's here. Yep, correct. So once you pop on the entry point, that's the open position, and I will adjust that a bit. So yesterday I said I will put 110 pip, and my target was just around here. So I just took under 2-to-1 trade. So if you click that, you can see I collected, I said actually to precise, 198. I'm very precise with my number. So 198 pips I collected. So the price gone to 10179, this area here, 101.7. So here you can see I risked 110 pips. So it moved today, move over. If the total move actually 220 odd pips today, so which is quite a large move, but it's not, it's not surprising for yen, but for me, I capitalize on 198, so just over 4,000 something. I haven't checked my result, so that's the trade that I took, and yeah, I hope I answer your question. But we will be running a new webinar on how to operate on opening trade and closing trade. So yeah, we'll keep you guys up to date on that. Thank you.